Good morning and welcome to another full transparency trading session, early hours. We are looking back at our account so far today, and as you can see, our P&L is $1,135. So we are that much closer, but we have already added another trade for today. And of course, this closes out at midnight every night. So we won't see our trade from today until midnight. We just added $175 to that. So that brings us to, let's go to Tradingview and find out. Click on Tradingview, click up arrow. So 51,300. So we need exactly $1,700 now. And then we are a funded trader, guys. We are so close, but all we're doing is hitting in the ballpark hits. Okay. We just bunted just now. This is what I call a bunt. We had a hard level right here at 53.50, which is $5,053.50. And wicked up through it a couple of times, creating new highs. But as long as the body of the candle doesn't close up above it, you know that is a strong level. And if you see this white line that I have here, notice that it's touching the tops of all of those. So there was I won't say 100% reversal chance, but there was a high chance that this was going to push down. And as you can see down here, the next level of support is at 50.5150. So that is why I got out right there at 50.5150. And look at that, right off of that support level, it bounces up. So we're really just trading like a $2 range right now for the 4 o'clock hour in the morning. And we'll see a breakout here one way or another soon. I've got my alert set up for the breakout, but my next trade will probably be at 8:30 a.m. That's going to be the next time that it moves. But I wanted to go over here and show you guys my simple setup that I use to trade on Tradingview. Let me go ahead and minimize this. This is all I use when I'm trading on Tradingview. I'm on a 5-minute candle on the TD Ameritrade or Charles Schwab Thinkorswim side. I'm using a 1-minute candle, a 1-hour setup, and a 4-hour so that I can see what the overall move of the hours are. But right here, we trade off of a 5-minute chart because it gives us a really clean read. My indicators are very simple, guys. Nothing crazy. I've got a 9 EMA, which is the green line here that we're up against. We're directly below it. So I could have stayed in my trade a little longer. Unfortunately, I got this reversal indicator, which was perfect timing. And it was 100% correct for me to get out when I got out. I've got the 23 EMA over here on the left-hand side, which is the yellow line. We came down to the 23 EMA, got the reversal indicator, and that bad boy shot right back up. And then we have the 200 EMA, which is the red line down here, which we will eventually get back to. But when you're doing this middle of the night trading, it's smaller trades like this 46 all the way up to this 53, this 53 all the way down to this 51. Nothing crazy at all. You'll get $20 and $40 swings throughout the day. But right now it's just a couple of dollars. But let me tell you guys, a couple of dollars will make you a couple $100. So like each dollar is going to be like $100 basically. So then we come down here, we get in at 53.50 exactly, which is something that I absolutely love about futures is when you set that stop loss and it hits, you're in that trade, man. I don't think I've had to really wait long for any of my trades to be executed. And then when I come down here and I click the X to close my trade, it closes almost immediately. The other things that I have on my chart that are very simple is just an imbalance detector. I just want to know when these fair value gaps start to form or when these small imbalances in volume form. Why? Because when we get a reversal pattern, the first 2 key levels for getting out are the imbalances. So you see we got to the imbalance and you see that red line there. That's when we cleared the imbalance and stopped and created that new imbalance. And then this next imbalance is directly where I get out of my trade at, this 52.50. I get out at 51.50 or 51.75 right here at the bottom of that. Yeah, 51.50 before the reversal. So the next level of imbalances and orders is right here at 50.49. So that's why I want an imbalance detector. It's by Lux Algo on there. And then I have the Lux Algo reversal signal, and both of these are free. Neither of these are paid for. I already paid for this. I don't feel the need to have like a bunch of stuff on my screen. Like a lot of people like a lot of indicators. I just want the RSI, the average trading range, and just a couple of little reversal cheat patterns that I can use just as a key in on what's going on. This is a false reading here. We actually ran up higher, and then you get the official reversal patterns up here. And we did push down, so that was good. So we get these hard levels, and that's another cool thing that's really cool about trading futures is you'll get really hard levels, and it'll give you a nice clear indicator of a good time to get in. You just got to figure out where those hard levels are. So you'll get the run up, run up, run up, run up, run up, stop. And once you get these confirmation candles, 5 minutes straight, 5 minutes straight, Even this one is a confirmation because it only went up to the level and then pushed down. But 5 minutes straight, 5 minutes straight, 5 minutes straight. You can get in right there. You can hold for a while and wait for that pushback down. We are going to nail this challenge, guys. So far, so good. We haven't taken any major losses. I actually have not taken a loss at all so far since starting the challenge, and that's not at all being cocky. That's just being very, very careful. What I'm doing is I'm using a 2-contract system, and for the 2-contract system, each point is $25, right? $25. So if I'm doubling that up, it's $50 per point move. No, actually, I think it's still 25. Anyway, but it's $25 per point. So each dollar with 2 contracts is exactly $100. And that is the goal that I'm looking for. I'm not trying to get the partials, because if I had 1 contract, I'd get $50 per dollar move. I'm always trying to get $100 per dollar move. That's always my goal. So then each dollar that it goes down, I'm getting $100. So it makes it very easy to keep track of how much I'm actually making in my trades. Every time I see it go 50 cents, I know that's $50. Every time I see it go $1, I know I've made $100. You see that $10 is $1,000, you know? So that is a very cool thing. That is why I use a 2-contract, and these are the minis, not the micros. In the micros, I would have to use 20 contracts, I believe. And I know I can use up to about 100. I can use 10 contracts or 100. So yeah, I think I'd have to use 20 contracts. So I'm doing straight up $500 minis, and I get 2 of them. But you guys have a great day again. Good luck out here trading. Be very patient, guys. This market is so much fun this week. There's a lot of money to be made. Just make sure you're on the right side of history. Have a great day.